Hello everyone, myself Vishakha Nagoshe. I am a student of MSc final year, Department of Chemistry from Government Science College, Gadchiroli. Today, I will be talking about my project. The topic of my presentation is extraction of wine and alcohol from Maduca longifolia and their phytochemical analysis and antimicrobial activity. Topic of my project is the extraction of wine and alcohol from Maduca longifolia and their phytochemical analysis and antimicrobial activity. This is of my project contents. We have talking about the introduction. Maduca longifolia is also called mahua or butternut tree, belonging family to Sapitaceae family. It is mostly found in India, Sri Lanka and Nepal. It is gifted with many chemical ingredients which are responsible for various medicinal properties. For the past century, mahua flowers have been known for the production of distilled liquor by the tribal and rural people of India, which is hazardous to health. Production of wine from mahua flowers is uncommon. Therefore, the present investigation was carried out to study the fermentation condition for production of non-distilled alcoholic beverage, that is the wine from mahua flowers juice extract. The main aim was to improve the traditional brewing process to produce a fermented product with low alcohol content enriched with nutraceuticals. The extraction of wine from Maduca longifolia was performed with water as a solvent of our extraction. The extracted wine was distilled for 2 times to obtain alcohol from it. Now, the methodology for the project. First step is a collection of mahua flowers. The mahua flowers buds were collected from Malanda, Dhanora, Gadchiroli in the month of April-May, were air dried. Next step is extraction of wine. For the extraction of must 1.5 kg of mahua flowers was thoroughly washed, and the washing was collected and took for the further test, and the mahua flower dipped into 2 liters of water and the was kept for 15 days for fermentation. After 15 days, the fermented material was filtrate, and the filtrate is also called wine. Next step is a extraction of alcohol. From the extract wine, we have taken 1000 ml of wine in 1000 ml of RB flask containing, and then it alcohol, and then it was distilled out by the download distillation method, that is the first distill alcohol. Similarly, second distill was done by the download distillation method using first distill alcohol, that is a second distill alcohol. In the next step is the extraction of cyclohexane. For this purpose, 5 gram of mahua flowers taken in a 50 ml cyclohexane. The cyclohexane is a non-polar solvent and kept for the 7 days. After 7 days, it was filtered to get cyclohexane extract. The next step is a collection of sample. Further, the sample of local Indian from the food inspector was obtained as a refer to the compare with extracted alcohol. Next step is a phytochemical test. We have freshly prepared extract were subjected to phytochemical evaluation for the detection of various phytochemical constituents such as tannins, flavonoids, terpenoids, steroids, saponins, carbohydrates, glycosides, coumarins, alkaloids, imodins, proteins, amino acids, diterpenes, phytosterol. Next step is the antimicrobial activity. The antimicrobial activity of wine and alcohol was assessed as per agar-well diffusion method. The nutrient agar was poured in the stabilized petri plate and placed in a laminar for solidification. Later, 150 ml nutrient media was inoculated with 1 ml of bacterial working culture and poured on the upper surface of solidified media and allowed to solidify. About 40 ml of wine was loaded to each well plates, were inoculated for 24 hours at 37 degrees Celsius. After the incubation period, the diameter of growth inhibition zone was recorded in centimeter. Step is a thin layer chromatography. The TLC was carried out to know the chemical profile of wine and alcohol. The TLC plate prepared as 25 grams of silica gel was mixed with 50 ml distilled water and slurry form as was uniformly spread over TLC plate. The plates allowed to dry at room temperature. The plates were marked 1 cm from bottom and 20 ml each sample applied on TLC plate. Then we have used solvent for the separation of mixture bands on the TLC plate. We have used ethyl acetate was selected as a standard solvent system. Now result. The performed study indicates the presence of various phytoconstituents such as tannins, flavonoids, saponins, steroids, flavotannin, carbohydrates, alkaloids, proteins, imodins, amino acid, diterpenes, terpenoids are present in wine. Wine is also known as after fermentation extract, but in the before fermentation extract, only tannins, saponins, carbohydrates, imodins, amino acid, diterpenes, terpenoids are present. In the cyclohexane extract, only 3 phytoconstituents are present, that is the saponins, carbohydrates and alkaloid. In the first and second distilled alcohol does not present any phytoconstituent, but in the collected of sample of local India alcohol, there are 3 phytoconstituents present, that is a steroid, carbohydrates and phytosterol. In the present study of antimicrobial activity of Maduka longifolia is done, antimicrobial activity was screened by using agar-well method. The result revealed the wine exhibited significant antimicrobial activity respectively. Against gram-positive bacteria, S. auris does not show antimicrobial activity, but second distilled alcohol show antimicrobial activity, that is a 0.2 cm is the zone of inhibition of second distilled alcohol. Conclusion. From the study, it can be concluded that Moa flowers as a substrate has a potential for making food quality fermented product. The fermentation temperature was optimum 25 degrees Celsius for better quality product. The phytochemical screening process show the presence of medicinal important constituent in the wine and collected sample of Maduka longifolia. This is my reference. Thank you.